Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Importers are pushing back this evening against a new program being administered by the National Compliance and Regulatory Authority, NCRA. The program, which takes effect next week Thursday, will require all importers of refrigerators, freezers, wine chillers and room air conditioning units to participate in a mandatory energy efficiency labeling program. But following an awareness session today, the importers say they don't think the program is ready to be implemented. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
You have to comply. It's compulsory that you comply.
The Bureau of Standards Jamaica rolling out an initiative which will ensure that imported appliances are energy efficient. The Bureau insisting on compliance, but the importers have issues of their own.
This is Jamaican dollars. We don't want consumers to come, hey, my bill is 23,000 for this, and they start giving a bad name to the brand. I have asked them multiple times that can you please supply me in 50 hertz? Their answer is, will you be buying 700 containers? I said, this is Jamaica. I need 50 pieces, 200 pieces maximum. That, sir, we're not going to change our production for 200 or 250 pieces to a totally different cycle, which is only accepted in Jamaica.
I do not know what the testing is like, and so as a result, I don't know how to communicate with my customer.
The Bureau pledged to take the importers' concerns into consideration, but was slow to disclose when the issues might be fully ratified.
When the standard was being developed, we looked at international best practice. So Kathy and others, they went at several places. Tanisha too, went to several countries to look at what was done there, and then we came and developed the standards for the Jamaican situation. So depending on from the outcome here, from the issues mentioned here, we'll take them back to the committee, and then if it is a case where we will need to do more research, then it will be done.
The Bureau says the standard will allow Jamaica to reduce its carbon footprint, as more energy-efficient appliances will be used by Jamaicans at home. The entity is also warning that importers who fail to comply with the program will face sanctions. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
CIBC, First Caribbean International Bank and Kingston Properties have signed a $5 million loan to support the refinancing and acquisition of property. The loan features both US and Jamaican dollar tranches to meet the needs of Kingston Properties. The secured financing arrangement with CIBC will see Kingston Properties acquiring a 32,000 square feet commercial building in New Kingston, which will expand the company's Jamaican portfolio. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen today. The US currency is now being sold for $126.57. The Canadian dollar is going for $95.05. The pound ended the day at $164.53, while the euro closed at $143.94 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in December was up 56 cents to settle at $56.56 a barrel. The JSE index lost 272 points today, while the junior market index went down by 12 points. Among the winners, 138 Student Living, CAC 2000, Dolphin Cove, Epley, Fosrich, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Distributors, and Scotia Group. Now on the losing side were Barita Investments, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Producers, and KLE Group. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.